I'm adding a 4-wire heated oxygen sensor to replace the one that was the single wire. I don't even have any more single wire ones, so using a 4-wire is the way to go, and to take the power off that relay there from the fuel pump, so it only heats while the fuel pump's running, so we don't waste the battery. And there's the ground. This was originally off a Dodge van, so there's the connector. So that should be good. We're installing the heated oxygen sensor, and for that we need a relay running off the other fuel pump relay to enable it. Here's the ground. Got my head in the rear of the Volkswagen here at the moment. I was putting an extra relay to turn on the heated oxygen sensor. That I had an extra one from working on Neben's van, so I put the Chrysler one in there with the connector and everything. I figured that might be a good idea because the oxygen sensor was gone anyway, and I don't have any of the single wire ones anyhow. So wired it up, but there was I was trying to run it off the fuel pump so that it only is on when the fuel pump is running, because otherwise you don't need it. So, and then for some reason I have the wiring diagram, but the connection for the ground didn't work with it, so I'm having to run the ground from the relay right out to the body. I tested it and that worked. I actually took the cover off one of the relays so I could see if it was, the electromagnet was working or not. And it wasn't the way it was wired up, but according to the diagrams it should have worked. So I don't know what's with that.
Well, all right. We'll give you a buzz later on, let you know.
Okay, if you can, the Volvo battery.
Oh, right. Yeah, I got you reminded. I forgot about that. Yeah.
Okay, well, I didn't want to remind you, but I thought just in case, because things get, it's easy to forget. Yeah, I want to work on that, but unless the battery is good, it's kind of a fruitless task. And the other relay for the oxygen sensor is right in there, running off, enabled with the fuel pump. It's holding fuel pressure still, even after an hour or so. And we finally have the wires all routed here for the heated oxygen sensor.